Good morning, children. Welcome back on your GK online classes. Today we are going to learn about lifespan of different creatures. In the world, different species of creatures are found. Different species have a different lifespan. So let's see the lesson 10, lifespan. Here different lifespan of living beings were given. So let's learn more about it. Let's see to it. Yes, so let us see that lesson 10. The giant tortoise is an animal with the longest lifespan. It is believed to live for about 200 years. It is found in the tropical island. Human beings have the longest average lifespan amongst a mammal. So here match the following is given there, children. In the column A, that living beings names were given there, and in column B that years. You have to match it, or either you write down the years in front of that living beings. So let us see that column A. First one is a human beings. The lifespan of a human being is 0.21 years. Then second one, lobster. That lobster, the lifespan of a lobster is 100 years. Third one, golden eagle. Golden eagle, the lifespan of a golden eagle is 80 years. Then fourth one, blue whale. The lifespan of blue whale is 80 years. Then the fifth one, an elephant. The lifespan of elephant is 77 years. Then the sixth one, sea anemone. Sea anemone, the lifespan of sea anemone is 70 years. Then seventh one, crocodile. Yes, the lifespan of a crocodile is 60 years. Then eighth one, giraffe. The lifespan of giraffe is 25 years. Then the ninth one, toad. The lifespan of a toad is 36 years. Then tenth one, the lifespan of a large beetle is 10 years. Then 11th one, swallow. The lifespan of swallow is 4 to 6 years. Then 12th one, the lifespan of a mouse is about 3 years. Then 13th one, dog. The lifespan of a dog is 12 years. Then 14th one, dragonfly. The lifespan of a dragonfly is of 6 months. Then 15th one, macaw. Yeah, macaw, the lifespan of macaw is 50 years. Then 16th one, cockroach. The lifespan of a cockroach is about cockatoos. Sorry, it is not cockroach, it is a cockatoos. Its lifespan is a 40 years. Then 17th one, the lifespan of a octopus is 2 years. Then 18th one, mayfly it is. So the lifespan of mayfly is 30 minutes 4 days. So in this lesson we had studied about the lifespan of the different living beings. Now we will move to the next lesson, that is about lesson 11, doctor zoos. In this lesson we will learn about the different types of a disease were diagnosed by a specialist doctor. So what we called as, for example, a doctor who deals with the nerve disorder, means a doctor who treats the nerve disease, that doctor is called as a neurologist. So here that various that sentence were given, we have to find out the doctor who treats with people with the mental illness, what we call. Okay, so let us see that. Second one, a doctor who treats people with a mental illness, that we call as a psychiatrist. Then third one, a doctor who deals with the medical problems of a human, that is called as a gynecologist. Then fourth one, a doctor who deals with the pregnancy, childbirth and care of the mother, that is called as a obstetrician. Then fifth one, a scientific expert in the nature of disease whose duty is to carry out post-mortems, that is called as a forensic pathologist. Then the sixth one who helps in rehabilitation of patients to select activities and helps them to function independently in everyday life. That is called as a occupation therapist. Then seventh one, an X-ray specialist who uses a radiation to diagnose and treat diseases, that is called as a radiologist. Then eighth one, a doctor who treats ear, nose and throat diseases, that is called as a otolaryngologist. The ninth one, a doctor concerned with the study of a skin and treatment of its disease, that is called as a dermatologist. Then 10th one, a doctor who is an eye specialist, that is called as a ophthalmologist. 11th one, a doctor who deals with teeth, that is called as a orthodontist. Then 12th one, a doctor who is connected with injuries and diseases of the bones of muscle, that is called as a orthopedist. Then 13th one, a doctor who specializes in disease related to blood, that is called as a hematologist. Then 14th one, a doctor who deals with the heart problem, that is called as a cardiologist. 15th one, a doctor who deals with the kidney problems, that is called as a nephrologist. Then 16th one, a doctor who studies and cures diseases in the urinary system, that is called as a urologist. 17th one, a doctor who deals with the children diseases, that is called as a pediatrician. Then the 18th one, a doctor who has studied about tumors and cures them, that is called as a oncologist. So here the various doctors are expert in diagnosing the different types of the diseases. So listen children, please write down the correct spelling from the clue box. Here the clue box is given there, and here the correct spelling you people note it down in your GK book. Now we will move to the next lesson, that is a magic 12th lesson, magical touch of a leaf. Yes, in the golden days there are now we in the previous lesson we had studied so many doctors were there to identify, to diagnose different types of a disease, but in the olden days such type of doctors were not there. In the olden days the peoples were using a herbal medicines and some medicinal plants, they were using it to cure the some of the diseases. Okay, nowadays only so many science and technologies were made and different types of medicines, antibiotics, vaccines were invented, but in the olden days that vaccine only little bit vaccines were there, and that science and technology was not so much advanced at that time. So the olden days the peoples were using some of the medicinal plants or the herbal plants okay, for treating the various diseases. So let us see in this lesson what are the various medicinal plants or the herb plant they are using for curing the different types of disease. In the good old days, people made use of nature to cure their disease. Here we see healing power of some plants. Let us see that. First, in the treatment of intestinal worms and the diabetes, we use a neem leaves. Then second, one is relief from toothache by chewing the tender leaves, that is a cashew leaves. Third one, diabetes is cured when these leaves are eaten. Yes, curry leaves. Then the fourth one, to heal skin, ulcer and wounds, we use castor oil leaves. Then the fifth one, to clear eczema and dermatitis, we use eucalyptus leaves. Yes, sixth one, these leaves are used for common colds, cinnamon leaves. Then seventh one, these leaves are used for mumps, boils and carbuncles, safflower leaves. Then eighth one, leaves of these vegetables are used for eczema and fungal skin infections, that is cabbage leaves. The ninth one, the leaves of these plants are used for chronic colds and bronchial blocks. Yes, tulsi leaves. Then tenth one, the leaves are crushed and applied directly over wounds, that is betel leaves. Then 11th one, leaves of these plants are used for complaints of rheumatic arthritis, that is sesame leaves. Then 12th one, when one is affected with mumps, these leaves are heated and applied over the affected area, that is mustard leaves. 13th one, the juice of these leaves is used as ear drop for ear infection, marigold leaves. Then 14th one, tender leaves of these plants are eaten to get relief from cough, diarrhea, and diabetes. That is bitter gourd leaves. Yes, 15th one. Leaves of these plants are crushed and applied for fungal skin infection, ringworm, and eczema. That is a balsam leaves. Yes, the 16th one. When the leaves are cooked and eaten, it relieves one from asthma, rheumatisms, and hypertension. That is a drumstick leaves. Then 17th one. Leaves of these trees are boiled and taken as a tea for night blindness, that is mango leaves. 18th one, the leaves of these trees are eaten for varicose vein, piles, and food poison, tamarind leaves. Yes, 19th one, the leaves of this climber are chewed daily to ingest its juice and keep disease like chikungunya, diabetes, arthritis, and respiratory problems at bay. M. gilloy. M. gilloy. So these are the various plant leaves were used to cure the various diseases. Okay, here the clue box were given there. Write down the correct spelling from here. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you people. Keeps on learning. Thank you very much.